guys, let's celebrate Aircraft Bengal, जिसको आज सभी ने बनाया है. And thank you so much. And as you know, we are celebrating 30 years of mobile industry. Yes, the year was 1995, 31st July, जब पहला कॉल किया गया था, right from the city of Joy, Kolkata, from Writers Building by our ex-Chief Minister Jyoti Basu to Mr. Sukram, Central Telecom Minister, जिन्होंने इस कॉल को रिसीव किया था from Delhi संचार भवन. So इस छोटी सी कहानी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं today's session. So I request everybody to kindly stand up. सभी खड़े हो जाए for the national anthem. With the national anthem, we are going to start the event. Aircraft Chairman and साथ में Mr. Navneet Pathak, our Joint Secretary, Mr. Mohan Bajoria, State President, Mr. Mridul Vishwas, State Secretary, and Mr. Ravi Gupta. Can you please join me on this?